Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send Slack channel messages for Acuity scheduling booking. So I am an owner of a yoga studio and I'm managing all the bookings of appointment and classes of my yoga studio with the help of Acuity scheduling. So my objective is that whenever a client is going to book an appointment in Acuity scheduling for my yoga studio, then automatically a message should be sent to my team members on my Slack channel related to that booking. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up the connection between Acuity scheduling and Slack, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills with the help of an amazing automation software that is Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video, we are going to learn how to automatically send Slack channel message for Acuity scheduling appointment bookings. So let's suppose I own a yoga studio where I'm managing all the bookings and the appointments of all the clients with the help of Acuity scheduling. So my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new appointment by a client for the yoga class, I want to inform my team members regarding this appointment so that they can follow up the process on Slack channel where I'm running my community. So I have to set up the connection between Acuity scheduling and Slack to build this automation. And for building this connection, I'm going to use amazing automation and integration software that is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is going to help us to set up the connection between our work application without the requirement of any coding and programming skills to automate all the repetitive tasks. Okay, so currently we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we'll find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It is going to create a free new account for you, and also it is going to provide you 100 free tasks every month to test multiple automations according to your choice. Now, as an existing user, here I'm going to click on sign in currently. This is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now quickly. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect on which we will find all our workflows which we have created. And to save the workflows, we can also create separate folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option. A dialog box is open in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to our workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Send Slack channel messages for Acuity scheduling booking. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So here I'm going to select automations for task management as my folder, and then I'm going to click on create, in which I want to save this workflow. Okay. So now as we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us which contains a blank workflow with two extremely important windows. First is the trigger over here and the other is action. Now what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts. We can say these are the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose here my objective is that whenever a new appointment will be booked by my client on Acuity scheduling, then automatically a Slack message should be sent to my team members. So here, I'm going to take Acuity scheduling in trigger and Slack in my action step. When we are going to set up the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the Acuity scheduling booking is made, then only the message will be sent on our Slack channel, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start connecting these applications to automate the process. To start with the workflow, first of all, we'll go towards our trigger step and we have to select our trigger application. So our trigger application over here will be Acuity scheduling. Let's select that quickly. Then we have to select the trigger event. Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. You can see we have list of events over here, new appointment, new product order, etc. So on the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that. Because our objective is that whenever a new appointment will be booked in Acuity scheduling, then the response should be captured. So new appointment will be my trigger event over here. Then we are going to set up the connection. Let's click on connect to build the connection. Over here you can see I'm already logged into my Acuity scheduling account. Now over here we have to set up the connection by clicking on add new connection, and with this we are going to click on connect with Acuity scheduling as well. Now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Acuity scheduling account. So our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. I have clicked on allow and the connection is built successfully. Now we are going to click on save and send test request button to capture the response. And over here you can see it is showing waiting for response. Now when we are going to do a test submission by booking an appointment in Acuity scheduling, the response will be immediately and instantly captured over here. So I'm going to take you towards my Acuity scheduling account. So this is my account, and over here this is the booking page I have. So we have two options over here. I am going to create this appointment for the yoga consultation. So I'm going to select this consultation option for booking the appointment. And over here I'm going to select the date. Let's suppose here I'm going to select the appointment for October 1, Tuesday of 9 a.m. Alright. Then I'm going to click on continue. Here we have to enter the details of the client, that who is booking this appointment. Let's say the name, the first name of the client is dummy, and let's say the last name of the same client is client only. Then I'm going to enter a random phone number and the email address over here. dummyclient@pabblycutes.com. Here I'm going to complete the appointment. And here the confirmation is made for the appointment is booked. So I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. As we have booked the appointment, you can see that the response is automatically captured. And in this response, we have received all the details. First of all, we have received the ID of the appointment. Here we have received the first name of the client, the last name, the phone number, and the email address, the date on which the person has booked the appointment. The time of the appointment is also given over here. This means that the connection is absolutely successful. We have received all the exact details which we have entered while booking the appointment. So now whenever in Acuity scheduling, the appointment will be booked for my yoga class, automatically the response will be captured with all the details of the client as well as the date and time inside Pabbly Connect. Now my objective is that when I have received the response of the booking, I want to share it with my team members on Slack channel. So I will have to set up the connection between Slack and Pabbly Connect. So now here I'm going to go towards my action step and I'm going to select my action application. That will be Slack. Let's select that. Then we have to select the action event. So what I want to perform, I want to send the channel message over there. So I'm going to click on connect. For building the connection, here I'm already logged into my Slack account. I'm going to go with add new connection and I will click on connect with Slack. It is asking us a token type, that what is the type of your token which you're going to create. So here we have two options, user or bot. We can use either of them. So here I'm going to click on learn more to understand how I have to enter the token type. This hyperlink is going to take me towards the Pabbly forum page where I will find all the instructions. So when we'll scroll down over here, it is saying that if you are using user as your token type, you can perform following functions such as add star, remove star, invite a user to a channel, send private channel message with or without image, add reminder, etc. But in case if you are performing following functions such as send channel message with or without image, send the direct message, get user by ID, etc., then you have to enter bot as your token type. So here, because my objective is to send a channel message to my team member, so I'm going to select bot as my token type and I will click on save. As we have done that, now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Slack account. So we'll simply click on allow as our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. As we have done that, the authorization has become successful and the connection is built. Now we have to enter the details in these fields to send the message over there. Now first of all, it is asking us a channel. What is the name of your channel? So the name of my channel is Pabbly Connect Teamwork. So I'm going to select the same over here, Pabbly Connect Teamwork. Then we have to enter the message. So here the content of the message will be the same which I want to send every time to my team members whenever the booking will be made via client. So here I'm going to enter the message as, here we have new appointment schedule as a reminder. Please check the details of the new appointment which is booked for our yoga class. Here are the details, name of the client, email, phone number, date of appointment, time. So one by one I'm going to enter the details of the appointment over here. First of all, let's start with the client's name. So as you know, we have received all the details of this client and the booking which he has made from in our earlier response. So what we will do, instead of entering the details manually, we will simply map the data from the previous response only. Here you can see we have the first name. I'm going to map it. I'm going to use a space and then I'm going to map the last name as well. When we have inserted the data like this from our previous step, we have mapped it, and when we map a data like this, it becomes dynamic. That means automatically with each and every new response, it gets replaced. So now whenever we are going to receive a new booking from Acuity scheduling, automatically the details which we are going to map are going to replace with the new details of that new booking. Now I'm going to map the email of the client, the phone number, the date of the appointment is also received October 1, 2024, and also we have received the time. So I'm going to map the start time over here. Okay, here we have the details. Now if you want to attach any image along with this message, you can also enter the image URL. I am going to keep this field as blank. Now we have the bot name. Basically, we are setting up a bot over here to send automated messages on our Slack channel whenever the Acuity scheduling booking will be made. So here the name of my bot will be new appointment. Okay, every time a message will be sent on our Slack channel, the bot name will be this. If you want to provide any icon to your bot, you can also enter the image URL of that icon over here. Then I'm going to click on save and send test request button. And you can see here we have received the response. Because we have received this response, I'm going to take you towards Slack to check whether the message is received. And over here you can see that yes, the message is automatically captured over here on our Slack channel. So now this means that our connection is successful. And now whenever a booking will be made on Acuity Scheduling by a client, automatically a message will be sent as a reminder to our team members. So here when we have completed the workflow, I'm going to check this workflow once again. I'm going to go towards Acuity Scheduling booking page and I'm going to book an appointment once again. Let's say this time the appointment is going to be booked for 3rd of October, Thursday. And let's say the name of the client who is booking this appointment is Smart User. The phone number is, let's say, and over here I'm going to change the email as well. smartuser12@pablitudes.com. I'm going to quickly complete the appointment. And as we have done that, a message will be sent automatically on our Slack channel. Let's go and check. And yes, over here you can see that the message is received with another details. As we have mapped these details such as the name of the client, email, phone number, etc. So these details are automatically changed in the message as you can see. Okay, this means that the automation is working perfectly fine. So let's quickly summarize what we have done in this workflow. We have taken very simple steps: trigger and action. In trigger we have taken Acuity Scheduling, and in action we have taken Slack. And we have connected both of them with the help of Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new appointment will be booked in Acuity Scheduling, automatically a message will be sent to our team members on Slack. So in the same manner, you can also very easily create this amazing automation step by step without any coding and programming skills. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.